Hey guys, it's your girl AfricanCreature, and I'm back with another tutorial featuring the iconic Nena B. Alright, you ready? Let's get into this hairstyle. First, you want to start by braiding the cornrows going up. Next, we are going to section the cornrow and clip it away. Next, you're going to section another cornrow going upwards, but this time you're going to actually braid this. Make sure to use product or gem when doing this hairstyle. Alright, this is the fun part. Now you're going to start to cornrow your section going upwards using small pieces of braiding hair. Make sure that you don't put too much braiding hair because we want it to be nice and flat and clean. Alright? Okay, so now you're going to section and clip away the front. Now we're going to section another cornrow and clip it away. Trust me, we're going to use this later. Next, you want to repeat the same steps as the previous cornrows. Trust me, when you see the end of this hairstyle, you are going to be so amazed. I'm telling you, just follow my instructions. Continue to braid until you get to the ends of your desired length. Make sure in between each cornrow, you leave a section that is unbraided. Guys, if you're really loving the video so far, please give us a thumbs up or thumbs down below. Hopefully you will do thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Comment, subscribe, you know, follow us on Instagram, all that good stuff, okay? I want to meet ya. What I love about this hairstyle is ideally it should take about 4 to 5 hours. It doesn't take that long, it's really tedious, and it's very natural.
This is the Slimster. This is the Slimster. This is the Slimster.
Yay, finally, we're going to use the section that we've been leaving out. Guess what we're about to do? Braided! Yeah, exactly. So now you're going to start to braid the sections going downwards, and you still be using light pieces of braiding hair. Continue to section and braid the cornrows going downwards. Now you're going to connect the braids going downwards to the middle section of your hair. This will create a mohawk hairstyle in the back. Continue to braid downwards until your section is completely braided. Now that you finish with one section of the head, you have to do the same steps on the other side of the head. Time for the fun part, the beads. First, you're gonna get a bead stick from the beauty supply store, the 99-cent store. It's about 99 cents. Then you're gonna get your beads. So now you're going to start by putting the beads into the bead stick like this. Then you're going to get your section like this and put it in the hole of the bead stick. Then you're going to pull the beads up into the braid. While still holding the ends, you make sure to hold it nice and sturdy. Fold the ends upwards to secure, and get a rubber band to secure the ends. For the fun part, if you have really long hair like Nana's, you definitely would like to do this technique. You basically put the bead stick inside of the beads, grab the ends of the hair, stick it inside the bead stick hole, and pull. This will kind of help you hide your length without you cutting your hair. And it's really, really nice, especially if you have a long hair and you want bangs. Okay, let's do it one more time. Put the braid into the bead stick hole, pull the ends, and continue to do the same steps if your hair is really long. Okay, girls, and oh my God, we're almost done. How you feeling? How you feeling? Cause right now I'm like, wow. You will tell me that you care. For a thicker bun, you want to add cancalan or braiding hair.
This is the slimster. This is the slimster.
Start to roll the hair into a bun. Every wish will do. Every wish will do. Yes, I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of us. Look what we created. I hope you guys loved and enjoyed working and doing this video with me. I'm so excited. Look at how beautiful the braids turned out. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, AfricanCreature, and follow me on Instagram, AfricanCreature. And don't forget to follow Nana B on YouTube and Instagram as well. And shout out to Ike Slimster for the crazy beats. Bye. Or in Yoruba we say, Odabo.